Pamper, you know, say from what they are more access in a few boy days growing up. When we used to run ball, how did I tap ball at them? When no man can take away them ball from them.
Yeah, man. Jenna say, really. So really Jenna baller. Really. Pass through you still, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? Actually, when we say pass through, come like them man, they even ban both the place too. Jenna sit there. You see me? I hold it for them when we can't go mention the whole of them name. I mean, all of them name, you see me? But you see, me I come from Winston, man, babe. CC production. You see me? Yeah. Them man that general. Them the coach. Well, Mambi. Winston Mambi used to go to CC. You see me?
Yeah.
And them man that general. Play for Jamaica too, you know.
Yeah.
Them man there's quality ball and not just eat that ball I tell you about. You see me? Them man there coach watch a game. And you see if coach finds that the game is going fast and coming like he out to take over inside, he call for game start. And say, hello, strap him up and send him out. And say, I want you go out there, go slow down the game and control the game.
My governor.
You see me? And that the man just go out the brother. And general up in things, slow no blood clot like senile and no man can't take a beat from him. You see me? Deal with the case and ball game change and coach say, yes, you see this man is so special. Well, me da go continue from Winston, Rasta. You see Juggies? Lagidaya. Yes, I have to mention Lagidaya. Cause I know me not see one baller like Lagidaya neither. You see me?
Yeah.
I say, general. The man crisp, the man pretty, the man shine. The man so intelligent and ball. That's why anyway, as outside, really I play. I have to find myself there, go watch ball. Really, you know.
So Lagi there, they man they live in.
Oh, you mean them man, they know they are big live in England, man?
Yeah.
I live bare life, brother.
They man they are great baller.
You see me? Them man they are Jenna, man. When we say Jenna, Rasta, them man they are forward, brother. Them man they play any weapon the field, Rasta and star up king. When that is man is general, 2 foot, and the 2 foot is like the same 2 foot. Everything correct. Them man they no bush goal. Rasta I come again, Jimmy Dyer said me, you know. Me still have to mention the Dyer again. Jimmy Dyer. Jenna.
Yeah.
Veer man, the whole of them are breaded man, them man. I don't know, look at DB ball of them I tell you about a school boy them I come from. So you know say man them it's general I play for them school, right up. Come up. Yo, well this man I know, you know. Scotty, you know, me still have to mention Scotty, you know. That he is a goalkeeper, this man have the quality to play anyway on the ball ground. Cause he's tough, like you know on the field.
Scotty, good defender.
That them man
go up on here, man.
Best goalie. I see that man. Rasta, I see that man a keeper, and me said him man them fool him man and kick the ball. Fool him man and the man fly so that. When the man fly so the man no kick the ball, you nothing. And when the man say Scotty flies up, the man kick the ball from the side, and Mrs. Scotty changing the ball. I say blood fireball. And what kind of man this king? Anyway, good on the line. Rasta, you can have C and Biggs again. One of that general where Jamaican man them I tell about him. Where I play for Jamaican. Rasta the man them so intelligent. Rasta it too much. I can't really go tell you about the whole of them, but me I tell you say I be a birdie baller. Really, I hear me again, you know. Me no see no two Rasta me see ball play now, you know. But you see at them time the king. Rasta. At this me really see ball play. In my time coming up. At this me see quality.
Authentic football.
When you sit down and look, you have to say, yes, then you got. You see me? Yeah, man. Rasta. Me no say nowadays ball are not bad enough. I have quality enough. But I tell you, say, you see them time they have more discipline. Rasta discipline and everything. You see, like ball Rasta. You see me? Fever like Bull DD. You have to catch fever. You see me? Yeah, man. So right now, me sorry you know in them the time the PC levels when I tell you about still, you know. Come on, go to check say yo, I just threw a them time down when I know about it. Well, me go sit down and talk.
Hit ball, drink ball.
Last time man them sleep ball and deal with ball and do everything with ball king. So man them bad ya. You see me?
Go up, come here about Lagi, man. Come on.
Big eleven man them man. Now the joking in man. And Probably time to come to we see some of my man them, because they know the man they are foreign. So my man them when they call them, they are foreign.
Yeah.
So time to come on we see them and they take in. And when we hear a level set there. So I'm not joke thing, my lad. I'm not play. Yeah, man.
Fuck yeah, you know?
Remember me tell you.